So I wanted to make another vulnerable video about like medicine and shaking. So I actually, since I've been medded up, I have been shaking for a while. I don't shake as much as I used to, but every time I would eat, I would shake, and then especially like when I haven't eaten in a while, I would shake and. I don't know. It's just kind of embarrassing, because everybody could see it at the table and stuff, and it was just like, so, yeah, not a fun thing with medication and stuff, but you know what? It grew me. I use everything opportunity to grow you, like the awkwardness you feel from an awkward handshake, the awkwardness, the insecurities you have of your laugh, or the insecurities, just let it grow you. And if you let it grow you, it will grow you.